Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert microgram weight into metric ton and carat in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Microsoft Excel and then you see weight microgram 1. So first we are going to convert microgram weight into metric ton in Microsoft Excel. Now select cell and then write here equal. Now select cell 1, now you see D3 and then add divide symbol, then add trillion. So you can add trillion or you can call 10 to 12 power. Now press enter. So this is our value, microgram into metric ton in Microsoft Excel. And then we are going to convert microgram weight into carat in Microsoft Excel. Now select cell, then write here equal. Now select cell, now you see microgram weight 1, now you see D3. Now add symbol multiply. Now add number 0.00005 and then press enter. Now you see microgram weight into carat in Microsoft Excel and you will find this formula in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.